Waiting for scorekeeper. All right, we have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. Golden Ratio and Infinibots both nailing those 3 shots early on. 3 far shots from How. Both of these teams are wasting away over at that goal. 12-6, 8-2. Leaving that gate open as possible. Both alliances grabbing this gate. Don't want to leave as many artifacts in that gate for Teleop as possible. Blue Alliance narrowly avoiding that overload. We're seeing a relatively close auto here. Red Alliance has the lead by just a couple points here. But that gate is
drivers, pick up your controllers.
We're going to need to see that gate open as soon as we enter Teleop. And that blue tunnel is going to fill up with artifacts, so we might see a lot of traffic over there. But there's a lot going on.
3, 2,
stray artifacts
1.
As soon as this game begins, 2-1-2-2-7 immediately going over to that loading zone, trying to take advantage of those Blue Alliance gate opening. Meanwhile, 1-4-4-6-9 doing the exact same thing on the opposite side. Both alliances trying to get something set up on the far side so they can just strafe back and forth between the loading zone. 14-4-6-9, How, and 2-1-2-2-7, Legend, both fighting in that far side, trying to take advantage, trying to take some semblance of control. Meanwhile, 12-6-8-2, the Golden Ratio, and 2-2-2-9-7, both going away, whittling away at this closed section. That Red Alliance ramp is flowing a lot. We're going to need to see some good gate management over there if they want to stay in the lead. We have 211 to 161. Red Alliance is ahead, but this is still doable for the Blue Alliance. And that blue ramp is opened. 2-1-2-2-7 is going to take advantage of that as soon as possible. That Red Alliance is just chipping away over on that far side red goal. We're seeing Legends just keep it going, keep it going. Nothing is getting in their way right now. No one is even touching them. 2-2-2-9-7. No one is even coming over there to that ramp. We're seeing just straight cycling here, folks. No, barely any traffic. 40 seconds left in the game. Alliance 2, or Red Alliance, 300 points. Red Alliance is running away with this game. And both of these ramps are staying clear. No team wanting to waste any time leaving that. Red Alliance has to do that. But that 14-4-6-9 is going to go over there and take advantage of that. There's still time. 20 seconds left. Now we're going to need to see these ramps flow if these teams want any motif points. We might see some full parks here just in the last couple seconds. Red Alliance is going for that 400 points. We have 10 seconds left in the match, and these gates are going to need to fill up. Both teams still cycling. Legend just moving on the far side. 2 seconds left in the game, and that is time to see those scores from match number 8. And that is the Red Alliance moving on with a score of 463. That's a division high score. Congratulations to the Red Alliance.